maybe on the first leg this time around. Yep, there she is. So she's running lead-off duty for Homewood.
So they settle into their blocks. And now they're sent on their way. A pretty even start. Look out for Edwin Allen, Homewood technical. Veer technical. Edwin Allen on the outside. Veer technical, Homewood technical, then Immaculate. The second exchange with 200 meters to go here. Edwin Allen makes the first exchange. Homewood technical on the inside. Veer technical, Immaculate. Final exchange now. It's going to be close. Edwin Allen, Homewood technical, and Immaculate side. Edwin Allen flying, Homewood technical, trying to hold off a fast finishing Immaculate. Edwin Allen will get it. Who will get second? Immaculate, brilliant run. 46.05 for the winner, Edwin Allen. 46.08 confirmed. A superb anchor for Immaculate. 46.45. Those two through to the final. Homewood technical at 46.48.
A very competitive heat, Extol.
Yeah, competitive indeed. And on the first leg, Mariah Baker trying to put Homewood in the ascendancy, but on the outside of her, Veer technical having a fantastic run. They change first. Down the back stretch, looks like Collins running that second leg for them. Homewood making inroads. Madison Campbell, the 400-meter girl. Kimberly Wright tried to keep Immaculate in the mix. Some ways off, but Edwin Allen on the outside trying to separate themselves. They change first. Kayla Johnson of Immaculate gets the baton in third. Hustling to get by Homewood, but safe and away in first. Edwin Allen and Kayla Johnson just by a singlet takes this one. Veer technical in the mix. Tobias anchoring them, but Edwin Allen eyes only focused on their lane down the track. They take Immaculate along with them, automatically through to the final.
Edwin Allen 46.08, the winner. 46.45 for Immaculate, finishing fast, getting through to the final. 46.48, we'll see Homewood technical also going through to that final. And Veer technical 47.05. So we move quickly to the class 2 boys who are not yet on track.
So kudos to the coaches. The exchanges are looking much better. As it relates to the Homewood team, it was more practice than speed, but they did fairly well. Kudos to the Immaculate anchor leg runner who did